Hello children, welcome back to our reading class. Today we are going to do long sound of E. When we blend E and E together, it gives a long sound E. E. If we add B to E, it becomes B, E, B. Let's read it again. B, E, B. How interesting, isn't it? Let's do another word. T, R, E. Tree. Let's read again. T, R, E. Tree. Here is another word. Let's read it. Sleep. Sleep. Let's read. Sleep. Sleep. Don't go to sleep. We have some more words to read. Here is SH when joined together. Sheep. Sheep. S and H joined together, it becomes sheep. Sheep. Here is a sheep. Let's go to another word. Teeth. Teeth. When you add T and H together, it becomes teeth. Teeth. You can smile now and show your teeth because you have learned so many E words. Now let's open our Stepping Stone English Reader, page number 27. B, E, B. T, R, E, tree. J, E, P, jeep. Sh, E, P, sheep. T, E, T, teeth. S, E, P, sleep. Children, let's read together. Here we have S, E, see. F, E, fee. P, E, peel. B, E, bee. Next line. F, E, feel. W, E, p, weep. W, E, d, weed. J, E, P, jeep. Next line. S, T, E, P, steep. S, E, D, seed. T and H together, it becomes R, E, three. M, E, T, meat. Next line. F, R, E, free. D, E, P, deep. F, E, T, feet. S, W, E, T, sweet. Sweet. So children, you have to read this 2 times. How many times? 2 times. See you next time. Bye-bye. Take care. Stay safe.